How to sign out of Google account on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, locate Settings app and launch it. You need to scroll down to the bottom and select Users and Account depending upon your Android device. Now choose Google option. Then the list of Google account will appear on your screen. You simply need to choose the Google account that you want to sign out on Android. Then after that, select the three dots at top right corner and a menu will appear where you will see Sync Now and Remove Account option. Simply you need to choose Remove Account and a pop-up menu will appear where you need to confirm by selecting the Remove Account button at bottom right of this pop-up menu. After that, you will successfully sign out of Google account on your Android device. And I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.